me Larissa. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm super excited to announce the start of the many videos that I'm going to be creating about DIY and decor. So I know how much you guys love recreating my DIY videos, and me on the other hand, I keep redecorating my house. So I still don't know what to name this series. So you guys have to help me out, put it in the comments below. I was thinking of something like DIY and decor with Larissa, but that's too long. So keep in mind that it has to have something with DIY and decor. Today's video is about me redecorating my office space. When I say redecorating, I didn't even decorate it in the first place. There was just a table and some requirements there. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to be painting two walls and also DIYing a lamp out of a bucket. I am super pumped. I am super excited. I hope you are too. So stay tuned, watch this video till the end. It's going to be a lot of fun and the beginning to some really amazing videos, really exciting videos. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the problem is that the walls are white. So what I'm going to do is first put everything outside. I was thinking of painting this wall of solid color, adding some character to this wall. So I have taken some references of Pinterest. I am going to be making something like this. So it's going to be a mix and match of a few designs. I just hope I can pull it off because it looks pretty difficult. This is the drawing that I made. I took a picture of the wall and I drew over the wall, and this is what the basic idea is. So let's see if I can actually execute this. It should look better than this. There's going to be more colors and there's going to be flowers. So let's see how that goes. This is what it looks like with just the drawing, and now we're going to start coloring. So I'm going to be using computerized paint to paint the leaves, and these are the flowers. So it's going to be a mix of green, red and a little yellow here and there. This is what one leaf looks like. It took me almost half an hour to 45 minutes to do this, but that's just the beginning. So I'm trying to figure out how to do it, and I kind of got a hang of it, and I think it looks nice, and once the whole thing is done, it's going to look beautiful. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to alternate the colors. Like this is a different green, and this will be a different green, then this will be a different green, so that there's like a balance of all the colors. So what I'm doing is I'm adding the faux color first. Then I have some yellow here. So I take the yellow and I put it at the beginning of the paint. So there's some shading happening there. There are like two tones. The best thing about painting leaves and anything to do with nature is that it doesn't really have to be perfect. And even though there are strokes, it shouldn't really matter. It adds to the texture and it looks even better. So as you can see, I've done like a lot of leaves for the moment. I'm a little bored of just doing the leaves, so I'm going to shift to doing the flower now. It's also going to add a little color, so it's going to make me feel nice about the whole painting. So let's begin. I'm using a pink color and I'm going to add some white strokes in the middle and a little yellow here and there. So I'm adding a few dots in the middle of the flower to give it a little more definition, especially at the folds of the petals. So it's been more than 5 hours that I've been doing this, and I'm really tired. So as you can see, I've made dots on the insides of the flower and lines on the leaves to add a little more definition to the whole painting. I'm going to show you how I did that. So you simply just make really crooked lines like this. I'm using a marker because using a brush to make such defined lines would be very difficult. We have to paint this whole wall pink. I'm going to use some sandpaper and scrape the paint out that's already there. Protect the wall next to it. So I'm going to put some masking tape. You get this at any hardware store. You just stick it onto the adjacent wall and then remove it after your painting is done. So you know the drill. You first apply the paint on the wall. You don't really worry about the texture of what the paint looks like on the wall immediately, because it is going to change. Then you take your roller and then you roll over the paint that you just applied, so it smoothens out the whole texture that you see before. Now that we're done with the insides, I'm going to DIY the lamp. I'm going to use a bucket. This is going to be the frame and I'm going to surround it. I'm going to stick a lot of flowers on the sides so it doesn't look like a bucket at all. You could get a bunch like this. So you simply pull out the flower from its stem. In case it doesn't, you just cut it off. And then you cut this part of the flower so that you can stick it flat on your surface like this. Now I'm going to take each flower and stick it on the bucket like this. So this is what your lamp looks like right now. It's full of flowers. You cannot see the bucket. It was just your frame. So what I've done is I've screwed these two parts of the bucket here. So you make a hole, you screw it, and then you drill it inside your wall. If you cannot do it yourself, takes the electrician's help, but I can usually drill my walls, so I do it myself. So I have the bulb here on the wall already. So this is what the lamp looks like. I very honestly did not expect it to look so cute. It goes very well with the whole vibe. It goes really well with the whole theme. The pink is lighting up to a little bit of yellow and the transition looks great. So are you ready to see what the room looks like now? So I added a little plant to here. I got the plant from Bali. If there's something similar on Amazon, I'll definitely put the link. The plant is from Mintra. And this is what the wall looks like. The lamp is right there and the wall is pink. This is exactly how I wanted it. The lamp didn't have to be really very bright, and that's how it is. We're shooting in the day, so I don't know how it's going to look like in the night. So I am so happy So this is what it looks like without the lamp on, and I'm absolutely happy. Half of my office room is done, the other side is yet to be done. So I will do that in the next episode. You know what you have to do. You have to call this series something. Let's see what you guys come up with. So you guys know the drill. If you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and leave your comments below. Tell me if you're gonna try this out. It's pretty simple. If you cannot do these, then you can obviously try something else. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you next time. Bye.